Namaste friends, and welcome to this video. This video is just a very short and quick video on how to regain stability in your lumbar spine. We're going to go through a couple of different yoga poses and muscle activation postures that will help to restore stability and give you more confidence when you go back out into the world. These simple little poses, these simple little hacks are just amazing to help you prepare if you're going to go for a run, if you're going to go work out, if you're going to go hike, if you're going to garden, if you're going to bake a cake. Anything that you're going to do in your life, these are just really, again, very simple and easy little hacks to just get you to feel stronger in your body. Just take a moment to stand up, if you will. And I want to just invite you to bend forward and just see how that feels. You know, you don't have to go for broke and try and grab your toes and pull your chest down, but just kind of fold forward, have your hands on your hips, and just see how that feels in your body. What we're going to do next is do a few poses, and then when we're finished, I'm going to ask you to do the same thing again so you can just feel the difference. It's really important that you do feel the difference so that you can actually start to feel stronger and more stable. All right? So, having said that, let's begin. We're going to start off on our backs. So come onto your back. And what you're going to do here is a very simple hack, and this hack helps you to really engage the trunk flexors and the hip flexors of the body. Okay? So, first step is to bring the hands up. Second step is to bring the knees to your hands. Now just notice where my hand is. It's just above the patella, and I'm going to push into my hands and hold for 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Did you feel that engage your core? Such a great posture, such a great technique to really create some engagement and improve that neuromuscular connection between the brain and the muscles. Again, do it again. Bring the hands up and bring the knees to the hands. Now, how much should you be pressing? I don't want you to grind your teeth as you press. The general rule of thumb is 10% effort, so it doesn't take that much. And then slowly lower down. And then bring the knees back up and the hands to the knees and press in for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and lower down. The magic number is always 6 seconds, 6 times. So we'll do it again. So even if you're not following this video, if you feel a little unstable in your body, press your knees into your hands if you're not already. If you're not feeling a little stable, you just come down on your back and do this pose. It's very, very, very simple, and it can pretty much be done anywhere. And then relax. Nice. And then do it again. Press the knees into the hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax down. And do it again. And press the knees into the hands for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then relax down. The next pose that we're going to do is to activate the psoas, which is such an important muscle to activate. So I want you to find your pelvic bone, and I want you to find your belly button. So locate those 2 points, and then bring your hand, in this case your left hand, and just kind of dig it in, and just leave the hand there. You're going to bring your left ankle over across your right knee. Bring your hand up. Now don't reach up for your knee. Just leave the hand there, and then bring your knee to your hand and press your knee into your hand, and you're going to feel the psoas pop out. Now, why is the psoas so important? Because it helps to stabilize the lumbar spine. Very important muscle to do that. And then relax. It actually stabilizes the curve of the spine, and if that spine, the lower back, isn't maintained in that healthy lordotic curve, then we start to deal with disc issues, popping out, herniated disc, a lot of other things. So bring the knee into the hand. We'll do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. Do it again, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and relax. Let's do the other side now. So bring the left foot down, cross the right ankle over the left knee. Bring your right hand again, locate the navel and locate the pelvic bone. Bring your fingers somewhere in the middle of that. And then bring your left hand. Again, you're not reaching the left shoulder up, so leave the left shoulder down. Just bring the knee to the hand. And as you do that, you press the knee into the hand, you'll feel the psoas kind of pop out a little bit. And then relax. And do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again. 2, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again. And relax. And do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Relax. And we'll just do it one more time. Bring the knee into the hand, hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and relax. All right, so come on over to the side, and then come on up onto all fours. So we've done some postures to stabilize the trunk in the front body. We've stabilized the psoas, which is really responsible for maintaining the curve of the lumbar spine, a healthy curve, but also as we come forward into any poses that the psoas is able to contract properly. We're actually going to do one more pose to really start to stabilize one of my favorite muscles, which is called the multifidus. So come on to all fours. And I'm going to give you an option of where to stay if this pose is either hard for you or it's just not accessible. So the first part is to inhale, bring the right leg up and lower the hip, 2, and then 3, lift the leg up a little bit higher. Nice. Now from here, you can just stay here if you want to, or as an option, you can bring the left arm forward, and then 5, lift both arm and leg up as high as you can. Now don't lift that hip. Keep that right hip dropping, but lift the leg up as high as you can. Keep the leg as straight as possible, and slowly lower it down. We're going to do that again, but on the left side. So bring the left leg up, 1, 2, lower the hip, 3, lift the leg up higher, and 4, lift the arm, and then 5, lift arm and leg. And holding for 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Again, you don't have to lift the arm if you feel unstable. Just practice lifting the leg up until you get more stability. Lift the right leg up, 1, 2, lower the hip, 3, lift the leg up higher, 4, lift the arm, 5, lift arm and leg as high as you can, and then slowly down. 1, lift the left leg, 2, lower the hip, 3, lift the leg up higher. Now remember that you can just stay here or bring the arm forwards and then lift both up as high as you can. You can really feel this kind of engaging feeling in your lumbar spine, and then slowly down. 1, lift the right leg, 2, lower the hip, 3, lift the leg, 4, lift the arm, and 5, lift arm and leg, and hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come on down. 1, lift the left leg. 2, lower the hip. 3, lift the leg up higher. 4, lift the arm. 5, lift arm and leg. Hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then come on down. 1, lift the right leg. 2, lower the hip. 3, lift the leg up higher. 4, lift the left arm. And 5, lift arm and leg. Holding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then come on down. 1, lift the leg. 2, lower the hip. 3, lift the leg up higher. Again, you can just stay here. 4, lift the arm if you want. 5, lift the arm and leg up higher. Now this is taught a little bit differently than a lot of regular yoga classes. Come on down. And I'll just tell you the quick difference, because you're going to see this pose a lot in yoga classes. They lift the leg and they lift the arm and then they reach and extend both. What I'm actually telling you to do is a little different. So the difference is you're going to lift the leg. 1, 2, you're going to square the hips. Then 3, lift the leg up higher. I don't care about how much you can extend it. I want you to contract the lower back muscles. 4, lift the arm, and then 5, lift arm and leg. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then come on down. 1, lift the left leg. 2, lower the hip. 3, lift the leg up. 4, lift the arm, and 5, lift arm and leg. Where it's also different is most yoga teachers will only do 1 time on each side. We're actually doing 6 times on each side to really engage the multifidus. Come on down. We're going to do it one more time. The right leg. 1, 2, lower the hip. 3, lift the leg up. 4, lift the arm. And 5, lift arm and leg. And hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come on down. 1, lift the leg. 2, lower the hip. 3, lift the leg. 4, lift the right arm. 5, lift arm and leg. Hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and come on down. All right. I am so proud of you guys for doing this. I know it's not easy. It's really challenging. But you're going to get better and better and better at it the more you do it. If you feel a little weak, please don't despair. You will get stronger and stronger as time goes on. And as you get more stronger in your body, you start to feel more confident in your body. One of my teachers always says that everything becomes clear when we fully inhabit ourselves. What I want you to do is to fully inhabit your beautiful body. Yes, your beautiful body. And just know that you are fully inhabiting it. Feel confident so that you can go out and live your best life. Namaste, my friends. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and that notification bell so you can receive more incredible life transforming and spiritually awakening yoga practices. Namaste.